making a burgers run in the Renault. Listen to that. Something's gone terribly, terribly wrong here. But we limped her back. There was a very loud bang, and then we've lost a lot of power. We can't afford to lose a lot of power in this car. Frankers is like, this is disappointing, Dad. Something's very wrong with the Renault. I hope it's not too critical. I think it kicked a spark plug out. I've never had anything like this before. Well, we made it back, so even if it's terminal. I'm not an expert, but we're gonna have to take the tire off.
Well, there's no dent in the hood. That's good.
Yeah, I know you're all excited for me to work on the Renault, so let's go over there. Let's see what's wrong with the 5. This is the first real failure it's had. My only hope is that it's a spark plug that is blown out, which is a strange thing. The noise was coming from this side of the engine, so it's got to have something to do with it. Well, let's see. Look at that. Can you see behind the distributor? There's a plug out. I don't know.
Is it still here?
Maybe that happens to everybody. I don't know. It's weird. I don't think I've ever had them out of the car.
Weird threads.
Like, has it been backing its way out for 4 years, or are they all loose? Like, what's going on? It's totally fine. The only... Look at it. It's just a nice light gray. It might have been backing itself out for a long time, but it didn't make it peep till today. But you can see these are not new. These are quite old. So who knows? But that plug is absolutely perfect. Look at that. I mean, that's a nice running engine. Or until this happened anyway.
It was kind of a loud bang anyway.
It was quite the noise. I wonder how many other ones are going to fly out of there. Is it just because this one was hard to get at? Somebody forgot?
Oh, you're probably right.
You know what it was? It was Steven trying to sabotage the car so that I would sell it to him cheap.
That's not running right. Better sell it.
Yeah. Well, it just the thread seemed extremely loose for the first half, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Of course, the plug could have been backed out and really chowdering around.
It might have been, yeah.
Because once I get it in halfway, it really tightens up. And now it seems normal.
Can you get a wrench on it? I would guess that's why.
You can get a wrench on it, but if you stand right here, you cannot even see it.
Mm-hmm.
And I think they just missed it.
Crazy.
But I don't think I've ever had the plugs out of this thing till today. That's one way to take them out anyway.
I'm blaming the previous owner.
Yeah, Bruce sabotaging my... Why would he do that, eh? Bruce all smug with his Lancia now, hey? No reason that shouldn't be back to its healthy old self. Man, that was quite a sound. I'm happy that it wasn't an exhaust manifold.
Oh, that'd be way more work.
Yeah, that was way easier. Exhaust manifold was good. But I was like, how is it that you can hear it on your side? Because everything's on this side. Didn't make any sense.
Well, like you said, good luck getting a...
Well, good luck getting one.
Yeah.
Well, that explains the lack of power on the hills, that's for sure. And the loud bang. Well, whatever.
Do you want to check the other ones? Just to...
Well, that would be fucking smart, wouldn't it? Okay. Just blowing them out one after the other for the next 2 weeks. Each time not checking. Yeah, it's just the one you couldn't get it. The one that you would miss if you were standing here. Like even where I am, you can't see it.
Yeah.
So that's it. What a weird thing. Well, we better fire it up. You know what would be really funny? Is if that wasn't the problem. It's like, oh, it turns out that wasn't the problem. That was a problem. Turns out it did need a manifold.
Sounds
No
just
harm
like it
done.
did 10 minutes earlier.
Yeah. Oh, you know that's twice that this car has had failures that turned out to be actually the easiest thing you could think of.
What was the other?
When the coil wire was shitty.
Oh, right.
One day it just wouldn't start. And I mean, I drove it in, and then the very next day, oh, this goes over top. This is a fiendish fucking thing, isn't it? I don't know why people make fun of these cars. Watch yourself, and the windshield, and everybody in the neighborhood. Gotta get the fucking elastic band on. Nice. I got so many surprises for the Renault coming up. I'm just like, I have to get the Fury done though. Did I just drop that on my phone? Like, how many ways can we do this wrong?
Well, beauty.
Right? Oh, easy fixer.
That's this week's video.
Yeah. Okay. See you guys next week. Join us on the Mailing It In weekend. Mailing it. Hey, was it you or Uncle Gary got their nose prints all over this door?
That was me. Sorry.
Uncle Gary?
I was trying to get out. When it
I
exploded.
was in the store and you were just sitting inside, rubbing your face on the window as people walked by. You and Frankers both. Nice. Okay, say thanks for watching. What a good girl. Tomorrow the Fury's going for exhaust, so we're going to move all these other junkers out of the way, and just so that I don't spend a bunch of time tomorrow doing that. Let's see how the finished car looks outside. I mean the other one. This one we already know. This car needs exhaust pipes too. This one should almost go before the other one. It's really obnoxious. We're back with Myles and the final, we hope, repair on the Plymouth before inspection. And the transmission mount is poo-poo. So we're gonna try something here. Where's the stick? Will you pass me the stick?
This stick?
Yeah. And I'm gonna just try and tighten this up.
What size is this?
So we need something that's about... How long is that stick you got there? That piece of wood.
This guy?
Yeah. Let's get me... Can we do it this way? Yes, we can.
Oh, yeah. Is that going to rotate? No. So how I like it there.
You like?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just got to take the weight off it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, is that going to scooch off? It is. Hang on.
Oh. Don't want that. Maybe let go.
Yeah, I got to bring it down. Oh, wait a second. Okay.
Because it's fucking round.
Okay.
What about that? Still be able to fuck off on you if it wanted to.
Yeah, I think of something here. What about turning it this way? Maybe it's not. It's not so great either, is it?
And even this way is not so great, right?
Yeah, that's not great either.
Although you'd see the lean, but it'll still fuck off. Like nothing is holding in place.
Well, it can't go. Oh yeah, it's just that the jack will roll away.
Right? It's wheels.
Okay. Well.
Or we come under here, put the wood right across there, but then it's kind of in the fucking way.
So, anyway, well, this guy, that guy, did I bring the impact? Okay, we might as well zing him off with that, right? Is there nuts on top? Yes.
Yes.
So we need the wrench. I
I
believe we have. Yeah, this guy here.
You got 9 or?
Yeah, whatever that is, I'll go get the impact. We'll deal with the, because if we can lift the transmission up for 1 second and pull that out, then we just fix it on the bench and put it back in, yeah?
Yeah.
Agreed, okay.
Yeah.
So, we're getting kind of used to this, eh? What's
Right.
the rule? Do it 3 times?
1 forward, 2 back.
Yeah, so, here's the original bolt.
Look at... Oh, that's not even it. Well, it does have kind of nut edges on it. I think it was a thin little...
Oh, yeah, it was probably welded. Or it's just rotted away. Because the piece...
She's pretty rusty in here.
So we got to find a fine thread if we're going to make this happen.
Nut. Yeah.
Anyway, this is the transmission mount. We were just joking about if it's pre-65 with these Chryslers, everything is different. And so it's very easy to get. What is this? Oh, we didn't have...
I left
the
it
other,
at the other place.
The rubber mount is like $10 and fits 100 different cars. But
you can tell them
what's on this car...
Part
is
number
this spring.
602.11.21.
602.11.21, yeah.
Tranny mount did not work
Not
on
happening.
the 60 Fury.
So now we've got this oddball. So yeah, so what's happened is when they screwed this in, instead of tightening up, it broke the nut here, it broke it loose, or it was welded, or anyway, whatever the fuck happened. This was spinning the nut, and you absolutely, the transmission is right there. You cannot get at it any. So by the time the smoke cleared, cross member out, everybody out of the pool, and now we're gonna just weld a new nut in here if I can find a 5/16 fine thread, which I will find. Maybe we'll replace the bolt too. Anyway, join us for more super riveting excitement. We are back under the car for hopefully the last time, certainly the last time today, because this is getting old. Oh, Pete sent us pictures of his fucking Vauxhall Forenza. That is awesome. He wants to build something like Andy's Capri.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. It's really clean.
That's nice.
Yeah, they're actually a good looking car.
Not too wavy or not wavy
No,
at
it
all?
looks pretty well. It's hard to tell, but it's just got a rattle can job on it. But awesome. Can we see anything there?
Oh, I'm just blinding it then.
Yeah, whatever. Just make some jokes. Nobody watches the show anyway.
Fucker.
Let's rough it in and just check.
Mock,
in.
yeah.
There. Is it lining up?
No.
No, we're backwards?
We're backwards.
Okay. Well,
That's how we learned.
Well, we wouldn't want, really, we haven't had a part go on the first time yet, so. Why spoil our perfect record?
I really enjoy spinning shit around too. Whoa. Dangerous, eh?
Yeah.
I never frickin' do that.
No, I don't either.
10 minutes becomes 3 days.
Until I don't do it until it's fucking 5 hours into a 10-minute job. Then I do it.
Fuck you.
Then I'm like, it'll go. That is as far as I'm going to be able to take it before inspection. So I'll leave some of the fun details for after it has passed inspection, in case I can't spend a bunch of time finishing up the weather stripping if it decides it needs something else. So let's get it in there. Let's get plates on it. Mission accomplished. And then, if I want to play around with it a bit more, which I do, I can do that over the winter. The rear armrests aren't in, a few things, but drives really well. Transmission mount was a real pain. Let's go see if we can get some plates for this thing, and then we'll go for a drive. Yeah, I'm going to go inside, start writing Plymouth Fury theme song. What do you think, boo-boo? You don't care? I can't say it really hurts my feelings to sit here and have to look at it as a more or less drivable machine. Stay tuned. Hey, what do you think? You get a pass? It's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.